This is only a test.
Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Viltrox L132 LED. Now, firstly, for the sake of clarity and comparison, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the difference between the T and the B model, because I know when I ordered mine on Amazon, there were a couple questions I had, but I got it all figured out, and I'll show you in this nice little chart here. Obviously, the biggest difference is the adjustability of color temperature that you gain when you buy the T. So for a sub $40 LED, I'm pretty impressed so far. I have another one of these that I've used, but I'll show you me unboxing this one here. So you're going to get the light itself. Now, this is either battery powered or AC powered. It does not come with the AC adapter. I found a pretty cheap one on Amazon that works great. I'll post that in the description below. It uses the Sony NP battery. If you do want to use it off battery power, it's basically the most universal battery for any cinema accessory right now. This little instruction booklet here, which is, you know, the ubiquitous translated from Chinese instruction manual here. It actually does have some great info, so you should check that out in there. And then, of course, there's also the hot shoe adapter, which I found really nice that comes with it. It's basically like a GoPro mount. Honestly, it's the same style here, but the best feature of this is it actually has an anti-twist plate here. So there's a receptacle in the bottom here, and once you screw it in, it basically makes it impossible to twist it unless it's this bottom base here, which obviously you'll lock up. But, I mean, for the included mount, it's pretty nice. Obviously it has a standard 1/4 on the bottom, so you can use it with any light stand or baby pin adapter that you have. And then, like I said, I'm actually just using the AC adapter for now, but you can see on the back it's going to have a readout of both the brightness up top, the color temperature down below, and the battery readout, which is full just because I'm using the AC adapter. But if you use a compatible NP, obviously it'll show you in bars how much battery you have left. Now the nice thing is, all you have to do is press to change between color temperature and brightness, and the thing to remember is slow and steady wins the race with this dial, because you can easily get from 100 to 20 if you're slow, but if you're working in a rush like a maniac, it takes forever because it doesn't register what you're doing. So as long as you're slow with it, it's really easy to use. I remember that was frustrating when I used one of these before. I didn't realize that, but that's all you really have to remember. And then all the way down from 3300 to 5600 Kelvin here. Works pretty well. It's probably one of the thinnest LEDs you can get right now, which is great. And it's pretty robust, to be honest. I have another one of these that I've dropped from like maybe 2-3 feet right on the corner. And it lived. It really didn't even have a scratch on it, and I haven't had any issues thus far. Yeah, so for a sub $40 LED, I would definitely recommend the Viltrox L132T. So far I've been using it for a couple months. I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. It's super portable, which is amazing, super light, and it actually has some pretty nice colors. I think the skin tones look pretty natural, and they claim it has a CRI of 95, color rendering index, which is very good. I'll update you guys, further if anything happens, but I don't really expect anything negative to come out of this. So go ahead, leave a comment below. I'd like to know how you're using your LED, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer for you guys. Thanks for watching.